Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are going to be doing a Hello Kitty party. Get ready with me. Today is my sister's surprise Hello Kitty party and I'm very excited. I need to hurry and go right now because I'm supposed to help decorate and stuff. Let's go. This is what the look turned out to look like. Isn't it so cute? If you guys want to see how I created this look right here in a very messy way, keep on watching the Get Ready with me. Alright, so Hello Kitty mode on. I have the perfect nails. Look how cute. So freaking cute. This one is the only one that has like a gem that fell off. Like it fell off probably like 4 days after I got my nails done, which I was really sad about, but I was like, actually I think it fell off like the next day that I got my nails done, really sadly. I tried putting it back on, but obviously super glue isn't as strong as like this like indestructible nail glue. I've been looking absolutely treacherous, y'all, so I'm gonna be starting off with my hadddd, I'm not sure if that's how you say it, spray, and I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl sponge. I know it's a little dirty, and my mom is like a huge like skincare person, and I was just like, okay, bet, so I'm gonna try it. A lot of the time I don't get impressed by products, but this one smells really nice. So today we're gonna be going for kind of like a very like glittery, pinky, big pop of cute on the eyes. I don't know exactly what that means, but it's gonna be cute. Definitely gonna need some individual lashes. These are gonna be going on the bottom parts of our eyes, and it's just gonna make everything so much cuter. I'm very picky with lashes, so we'll see. I'm gonna start off with my Elmer's glue stick. I know a lot of people get so confused on my TikTok videos when I put this on. They're like, wait, am I supposed to be doing that? The reason I started doing this actually is because my brows are literally so stubborn. Like they are the straightest things on this earth. Not me though. If you guys want like an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, because I know that it could be a little bit confusing just seeing me like doing this, let me know and I will get that out to you guys a freaking sap. It's currently 9:41 and we are doing a surprise birthday party for my sister. Surprise Hello Kitty birthday party, because she loves like Sanrio stuff, she loves like anime, she loves all that cutesy kawaii stuff, so we're just gonna be doing that for her. And I don't think we've ever had like a proper like surprise party for like any of my siblings. We just ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon and she's just gonna love it. I already know she's very shy for sure. Right. Brows done. I do need to get my brows laminated again with my lash tech, and I need to get my lashes done with my lash tech so bad. I've always tried to wear as much sunscreen as I could, like as of recent. So this is the Dermalogica oil-free matte 30 SPF. It feels really moisturizing even though it's matte, which is a little crazy. Whenever I hear the word matte, I feel like I'm not gonna be moisturized. I'm just gonna be like, I love the smell of sunscreen. I always have. It just reminds me of summertime. This one, it doesn't smell all crazy though, but it does have like that summery smell to me. It always reminds me of like me going to Hurricane Harbor like with my family in the summer. I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. You guys can use my code Aidette10 for LA Girl products. I'm gonna be using a ton of LA Girl products as per freaking usual. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl natural foundation. I'm actually very much dreading doing my hair after this because, as you guys know, I have to be T-Rex arming, which is literally like I can only go up to here. After my surgery, if you guys are curious about the surgery, I'll link it down below for you guys because I know absolutely anybody would be curious what procedure somebody got. I'm not fully mobile like with my arms at all. Like I haven't lifted myself, I haven't like an open door without like using my leg. I don't know how to explain, but basically I haven't been able to use my arms. So when I do my hair, because I have like this hairstyle in mind that I've done, I did it last year, last summer. I haven't done it since though, but it's like a little early 2000s updo, like in a little butterfly clip, and then you curl like the ends. It's gonna be very hard for me because I can't even like put my hair up, you know, so I don't even know what the heck I'm gonna do with my hair. I absolutely love using my LA Girl concealers. They're just always, they're never gonna disappoint you, you know. This is like my ride or die concealer, the friend that you can always lean on and never be scared that they're gonna disappoint you. I'm trying to do this makeup as fast as I can because right now it is about 10. I'm gonna be like literally all dolled up and I'm really gonna try not to sweat off my makeup because I would be unfortunate because I'm trying to take some cute pictures. I'm gonna put some of this concealer right on my jawline just because it's way too dark. That was absolutely way too much. All right, look how satisfying this is. A brand new concealer. Definitely gonna be way lighter. I think this is one of their newer shades that they came out with like a couple years back. I'm gonna take it on the sides of my nose. This is honestly so much better than using the white concealer trick, because I saw a lot of people doing like the white concealer trick. Yeah, some people are gonna say, oh, I didn't get a flashback, so I'm chilling, but at the same time, let's be a little realistic here. 9 out of 10 times you're gonna get some crazy flashback. Literally ever since I started using LA Girl like consistently, like all the time, I never have had to worry about flashback, I swear to you. And tap it on the sides of my nose. Y'all know how I was going on a whole rampage about that I get no flashback. This is why. This is the LA Girl Banana Yellow Powder, and for those of you guys that are new, this stuff is going to be your bestest friend. Place this on the areas which would like normally want to crease first, and on the eyes I always like do that immediately. Okay, but this looks so snatched. Do you guys see this? And then I'll kind of like just tap over the rest of the face. I literally don't know how the heck I'm gonna do my hair. I'm kind of freaking out, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be using my huge Morphe palette, and we're gonna be using the pinks. I was already going into the eyeshadow when I haven't even like properly completely set my face. What? I'm gonna be blending a baby pink and a hot pink together, and I'm gonna be running that in my crease. This video is definitely more like a chatty get ready with me rather than a tutorial. The only thing though is that like I have an outfit in mind. I'm gonna be at a family party. I just like don't really know what to do, because you know how like family sometimes can be like, oh, why are you wearing that? It's literally not all my family though, it's just like those 1 or 2, you know. Now I'm like overlapping a baby pink so it looks a little bit more like blushy toned. And I want to take a little bit like on the lower, but like I don't want to do too much. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm actually using this ColourPop freckle pen. I'm obsessed with this, and this is like the first product that's made for like making faux freckles that is actually good. This is in the shade soft brown. Make some little swoopties. I always struggle with this brow because it's like on the opposite side. Okay, I think I'm gonna fix it like in wispy strokes. I think once it gets concealed, like it'll look better. I'm gonna try to like not go too crazy because I don't want like a whole white line under my brow, but I do really like going in with concealer, like especially when my brows aren't done. You know when you just realize like what you're doing and you're like, I'm like a human. Covering the brows, the little brow hairs. All right, so the brows are browing. I'm gonna be placing a white on my brow bone and like where we place that cleanup. So now we're gonna take a little break from the eyes, and I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl face powder in the shade Warm Caramel. I like to use this as a bronzer, and I'm going to be packing this on my face, but I'm not gonna be doing too much because this is more of like a face focus. I just want to look warmed up, you know. And I'm gonna be dragging it down. And then now on the sides of the nose, this is very important to me because this is what makes everything look so scrumptious. So I'm taking those same 2 eyeshadows that we mixed up, and I'm going to be placing it on as blush, and then take that little bit on the tip of the nose. Okay, I know I'm all over the place, but now I'm going to be wetting my little LA Girl brush. This is the 207 double-ended eyebrow brush. There's a spoolie and a little eyebrow liner brush, and I'm going to be taking my spray, and I'm going to be dipping it in like a hot pink, just like this. What I want it to be a little bit brighter. The only reason I put mascara under my lashes instead of over my lashes is because it sticks so much better when you do it like this, because then when you clamp it together with either your fingers, tweezers, whatever, the lash sticks onto it and it makes it look a lot more natural. Or not natural, I'm literally wearing like 12-foot long lashes, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I actually did a lot off camera, but it's kind of like self-explanatory. So I just got like an off black. It's kind of like a super dark brown, and it kind of has like a maroon undertone to it. So I just applied 2 little lines like this, and I kind of created like the bottom lash effect. And I was going to be applying these bottom lashes. These are Ardell wispy clusters, and I usually just like to like cut them in half and then place them under like backwards, but I just thought it was going to be like a lot because I already have like a lot of like pink going on. And then for the highlight, I was going to be applying like my go-to like Charlotte Tilbury like little bar of gold highlighter, but I was like, it's not really like the vibe. I feel like this is more of like a glittery like silver type. So I took my LA Girl Dream Glitter Iridescent liquid eyeshadow. I love to use liquid eyeshadows, like little glitter ones, for my highlight sometimes because it just like gleams so perfectly. And then I just like tapped out the edges, but look how pretty it looks. It's just like very pretty and reflective. It has like blue undertones, like little baby pink undertones, and then I took like kind of like the excess and I put it on the last lash, like kind of overlapping it. If I was to just like put this here, it feels like it's too much. It's too big. If it was smaller, I could see it. Okay, and now for the lips. I know that this is gonna be like a little like very pinky, but I feel like maybe that's just the vibe today. And then I'm gonna be lining it with a like darker shadow. So I'm taking the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner, and this is in the shade Pinky. All right guys, so this is the final look. I did change up some things last minute. Like I did make this lip more like a brown overline and then a baby pink in the middle, and that's pretty much it. At first I was kind of like not feeling it. I also did my hair, obviously. I did like the very Y2K look. I've done this before, except I did like a zigzag, but today I just was not able to. Like this took a very long time. I didn't need to take that long. That's what's going on right now, and I'll show you guys the final outfits when I get to the party. Alright guys, this is the fit. This is from Shein. I've been waiting to wear this for so long. I've had it for like 2 years. I was wearing these nude shorts like just to be around the house, then I realized, wait, they kind of go with the outfit, so I'm wearing that. And then I'm wearing these pink fluffy shoes. Here's the makeup, the nails, the earrings. This one is silver and then this one is pink. I don't know what the heck happened to this other pink one, but it's cute. I mean, it goes. Like I have a multicolored choker here, and then my nails are different colors, so I feel like it goes. A little better look. So cute. These shoes are from Ego, and then from the side you guys can see like my little surgery bra. Now let me show you guys the party. We just kind of like finished decorating it and all, and it's so freaking cute. Armani Bunny! Hello Bunny Bun! Everybody missed you. Say I'm at my Grammy's house.